Noblelift IC forklifts adopt the mast system of Q-Series electric forklifts, range for easy exchange, easier service, and less parts inventory. Selected top brand components. The chassis is reinforced with extra thick structure. Wide view through the optimized mast. Chassis, mast and overhead guard are optimized. Optimized heat dissipation channels enhances the heat dissipation capability. LED lights with strong solid bracket. Comfort to work. Widening low anti-slip step. Suspension brake pedal. Optimized operating device structure and layout. Ergonomic location of the instrument. Reduces driving fatigue and makes long hours of operation effortless. With 100% pivot steering and returning systems. Enlarging operation space. Small turning radius, easy steering. Good maneuverability in narrow areas. Perfect maneuverability. The key rotation parts are protected from water and dust. LPG or fuel gas conform EU Stage B and the American EPA Tier 4 standard. Enhanced hood hinge.